This is what you've been missing.
I told him that it was my first day anchoring, and the bird's laughing at me.
Yes, I guess so. Oh my gosh.
Well,
What do we have here?
we have here, he is called a Latin kookaburra.
Okay.
As you can hear.
How fitting.
They are native to Australia. And you can find them in all habitats. What you're hearing right now is a territorial call. And this call is primarily dusk and dawn.
Now, these little babies are so overwhelmed that they've started wearing your clothes.
That's cute.
Pussy, get out of my pants. There you go. Coming up, the obesity warning to parents. We're going to speak to Australia's top Dr. Lisa.
And, Deb, we meet the family desperately trying to bring their pooch back.
Here's some other great town names. Lititz.
Oh, it's Lidditz.
I can overlook it, at least this one time, Nick.
I will. Well, maybe next Wednesday I'll have to remove it.
Restart you there, Nick?
I just didn't want to be the person who's like, I really don't want to be the person who breaks it that Wednesday's going to be in the 80s.
Well, you got a Fonzie there. Hey, come on, man. There we go. Get the song playing.
For fuck's sake, excuse me, I just said it on air. Tom, we're,
Good morning to you. It is 5 o'clock right now on your Wednesday morning. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kate Merrill. I'm Chris McKinnon. Oh my God.
I am Kate Merrill. That is Chris McKinnon, and it is a Wednesday, Danielle, because somebody needs to get some sleep.
Kenny should give me back my hat.
Your hat?
Is that yours?
Did it look like a boy hat? 'Cause
No.
It's not. It's mine.
It's yours.
I think he looks like a country superstar in it, like Kenny Chesney.
He does.
Doesn't he?
Except he should take his shirt off.
He's going to. It's coming up.
It's coming up, we
Did
promise.
we lose a camera at that park before? Didn't somebody fall in the water with a camera?
Was it there?
Yeah.
I don't even remember that.
Oh, it wasn't a wave pool, yeah.
The wave pool, the waves came in, and then you looked real pretty. My what? It is on.
But she
Are
talks
they
so
yelling
loud
at her
you can
again?
hear her anyway.
Is it on now?
Oh no, I think they wanted it off.
Just kidding, just kidding.
Oh, she's going away! I was kidding!
Jenny's feelings are hurt.
Where's she going now?
Oh, she's leaving.
She's going outside? Well, is traffic okay? That door doesn't slam.
Coming up in 10 minutes, we've got people from the Alberta Masters Games coming in, talking about how if you're over 30, you compete in a wide range of sports in Alberta for the first time.
They brought a pickleball
They brought a pickleball.
and a racket.
We should play some pickleball.
Well, they just brought one. So we would have to throw it at each other, but I'm in.
You can play with yourself.
Oh.
So it's raining outside and scattered showers across the city. 12 degrees is what we're saying.
I feel very warm all of a sudden. Sweating. What's happening?
I'm trying to move on, and it'll be cooler and wet today.
Just
Honestly,
gonna go
how's
play
traffic?
with myself.
Why you going high? Push me to the side. Just keep going on and on, and I ain't getting tired. Yeah, you try to crucify all the good inside. You go and call 911, but I already died. Yeah.
Well, a Georgia woman had a good laugh when Dairy Queen made a pretty significant error on her birthday cake. Now take a look here. This is the cake in question. She's a big Moana fan, the Disney character.
They thought it was Moana. They
Why
thought
is there a
marijuana.
little My Little Pony on it?
Nice little portable
like,
water fountain for your